You are being compared to a magical, ethereal being, and people cannot describe your actual energy. People often wonder where you have actually come from. People are in shock by how much you do. This could be people at work, but you carry a lot and you look good doing it. People feel like, for some of you, you do not look like you can do what you can do. Some of you may be very slender and you may be able to do a lot of heavy weights. You may be able to lift a lot of heavy weights, or you could work in an environment where it's very strenuous, but you do your roles with so much mastery and grace. And it's like, some people feel like, don't you ever get tired? Like, you have a lot of energy, and it's very mesmerizing, but also very, I'm hearing scary. Like, how come they got all this power? This is not, I haven't seen this before. Some of you can do the job of 10 people and you don't complain. And you also retain a heavy dose of star quality. Many people praise your abilities, whether to your face or behind your back. And you are very sparkly, you are very shiny, and it's almost as if, for some of you, people feel like the role that you're in, you shouldn't be in. You should be on the stage. You have a very entertaining and commanding aura. People can't keep their eyes off you. People feel like you should be in a leadership position. For some of you, you will be in a leadership position in this life. For others of you, you are in a leadership position. And you may find that some people in your workplace are very threatened and jealous of you, but they know they cannot come up against you because they know that you are loved. They know that people respect you. They know that people, I wouldn't say put you on a pedestal, but you are seen as high value. You are seen as amazing, not good, amazing at what you do. And they know to themselves that they couldn't do what you can do, but they still resent you because they want to be seen in the same light. But you cannot compete where you do not compare. They may be good at what they do, but they know on an intuitive level, if they are in touch with their intuition, that they couldn't take on your load. So they choose to sulk in the corner, or they choose not to pay you no mind, to try and downplay your excellence. You are very focused and you are very diligent, and you can come across as very magical, beautiful, ethereal, mermaid, siren-like, unicorn-like, alien-like in some regard, fairy-like. And because of your quality, people can get lost in you. You are very enchanting, and some people may feel like you are trying to manipulate others because they see how people get lost in you. They see how people, for some, a lot of people could find you very attractive because you are seen as very beautiful or very handsome. You have dreamy eyes, and I'm hearing for some of you, you got a golden aura. You could have blonde hair for some of you. For others of you, you may have large eyes. You may have large lips. You could be dark in complexion. Whatever the case is, people just find you to be beautiful. And some people who are threatened by this may feel like you are toxic. You are manipulating others to like them. You are seducing others. Your energy is extremely potent. You are a money magnet. You can make money. People at work can see that wherever you go, money flows, or you look like money. And you are so down to earth and you are so humble. And you have the ability to make even bosses soften to you. People feel like you come from another world. They don't feel like you come from here.